Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discuss what is files and what is folders. Okay, so the definition of files: the area on the disk that contains some information and is saved with a name is known as file, or we can say a file is a collection of data stored on some storage devices such as a hard disk. So this is called files. What is folder? Folder is a place where many files are stored. In other words, the files are contained in a folder. A folder may have one or more files stored in it. So how to create a folder? Just where you want to create a folder, right click on your mouse, then click new option, then click folder option, then type your name whatever you want. So let me explain what is folder, what is files. Now you are watching this file, it's a MS Office Word file. So I save this file because I type this information. So I want to keep this file permanently. So I will save. Just click the button and go to give save. So this is the file. This file where I saved, I saved folder of document folder. This is a document folder. So I saved files and folder class 4 computer. So in this file contains that folder for documents folder. You can see this is a folder for documents folder. In this file I stored files and folder class 4 computer. So these all are files. This is folder. Okay. So let me explain how to create a folder on your desktop. So in this area, empty area, there is no any folder. So keep your mouse pointer in this empty area, then click on your button, right click on your mouse button, then one small box will open. Then you choose new option, then another dialog box will open. There is a option folder. You just click it, then one folder, this is a folder picture, it's look like a folder. Now initially the name was new folder. If you want to change the name, you can type class 4 computer. Just press enter. The folder name was changed. So I hope you understand how to create a folder. So again I will tell you, right click wherever you want to create a folder, go to new option, then again another one window open, one small dialog box. In that option you can choose folder, then automatically one folder can be created. If you want to change the folder name as your wish, you can give your name also. Example Raja. So I put folder name Raja. So what you want, which you can give folder name your wish. Okay, so in this folder you can store files. Example, see, this is the file. Okay, so see here, this is the file, this is the folder. In this file I am going to save in this folder Raja or class 4 computer folder, any folder. So if you want to save in this file to this folder, so go to start button, then click save as, then choose where is your folder. In desktop, Raja folder is there, class 4 computer folder is there. So where you want to store. Example, class 4 file, I want to save this file into class 4 folder. So double click it, then give the name class 4 computer, then click save button. Now close this file. If you go in this folder, class 4 computer folder, inside there have one file, class 4 computer. You can open the file. This is the file. So I save this file into the folder of class 4 computer. So this is called file and this is for folder. So in this desktop, which you are seeing this folder type, no, this is called folder. If you double click inside, have one file, that is called file. So file, folder, this is folder, inside file. So file means it contains information, some information, okay, that is called file. Then folder means it's a storage area, you can store file in that folder. So folder means storage area, file means having some informations. So this is called folder and files. So I told you how to create a folder on your desktop. So just to follow these rules, you can create a folder. Okay, just 4 steps. First step, right click, choose the new option and select the folder option, then automatically new folder can be created. If you want to change the folder name, you can type any, whatever you want, you can type the folder name and finally put enter, the folder name will be changed. Okay.